guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be filming a clean with me video. My room right now is an entire complete mess and I want to clean it up, and I thought what a perfect day to have you guys clean with me. I know I like watching a lot of those videos, so I would think that you guys would enjoy watching the same videos, so I thought I would make my own version basically. So with that being said, if you guys like these type of videos, you guys don't even know who I am. So if you guys are new here, my name is Geraldy Silva. I make a lot of minimalist and organization and productivity type of videos. So if that's your type of jam, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and give this girl a thumbs up for consistently uploading this entire month and the month of March. So give this girl a thumbs up, smash that like button, and help a girl out with the YouTube algorithm. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on. Let me show you my room in its current state right now. Alright guys, so this is currently my room. Even though I have decluttered and just gotten rid of a lot of stuff, there's like, it just becomes a mess because I live with a little kid, live with a child, so there's going to be double the amount of stuff that I would have if I would have just slept on my own. So with that being said, I'm going to set you guys up in a corner where you can see me cleaning up, and yeah. And I can't with this place. It's too crazy. My head doesn't function correctly if I'm not organizing and having my room all cleaned. So I'm gonna start with the bed. I'm gonna fold all the blankets because I feel like folding the blankets first always helps with making the room look like it's already clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with that. So yeah, and I'm also gonna open up this blinds because that just brightens up the room. That's always good. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go store these in the hall. Alright, so I'm gonna fold up this thing right here, this Thomas thing, because Ian was playing with it when he came in as I was doing my makeup. So I need to put this back to where it belongs. Then this goes into the living room, so I'm gonna go put that over there. Alrighty then, so the room is now looking a lot more better. I'm gonna fluff up my bed. It's looking a little weird, so I'm gonna fluff this up. Then, so I'm gonna leave for folding the clothes last. I'm gonna organize my desk because my desk is literally such a mess and that's disturbing. So another thing that I always do when it comes to me cleaning up my room, I always unplug my unused what's it called, electronic items. So this needs to go into my desk. This is the current state of my desk right now. I just did my makeup and I decluttered yesterday, so there's some stuff on here that I probably should just organize and get rid of and whatnot. So I'm gonna put this away on my desk. This I'm currently using right now. This is the stand that I have you guys on. That is currently being used, so I can't really do much about that. But all of this stuff, I'm gonna take it all off. Another electronic thing that I'm not using currently. If you guys have a proper way to store these or an idea of how to properly store these, please comment down below, because I always struggle with just having them inside my desk and they just look really weird. and I really want like a proper storage for them. So if you have any ideas, please comment down below. This is my bag that my mom brought back from Mexico. Isn't it like the cutest little bag ever? It's so cute. It has like Frida on it. Yeah, she got this at Mexico when she went. So this is actually trash. This all needs to go to the trash can right now. This is all makeup items that needs to go to a new place. More likely my mom might take these because she loves lips, so I'll have her go through this and pick out the stuff that she likes, and then the rest will probably go to my sister if she wants them. If not, I'll see who I can give them to. Maybe my cousin, who knows. We'll see who wants these, so I need to let her have her pick of those. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and sweep and mop the floor, and I should be done, and then I'll show you guys the aftermath of me cleaning up my room. So I'm gonna move you guys back. So now I'm just gonna fold up the clothes on my bed, and then I'm gonna put them away, and I think that should be the last thing. The only thing I have left to do is just to like declutter the stuff that I have right there on the floor. I'll show you guys in a bit, but I'm gonna fold up these clothes and then put them away, and then I'll show you the end result of how my room looks like after it's all nice and picked up. So yeah. Try to spray my room with some type of perfume, because honestly I always forget to put on perfume myself, so I'm just like, oh, let me just spray my room instead with it. So in order for me to try to finish this up, I always just spray it out, and that way I don't need to keep buying what's it called, candles as well, so I could just, yeah. Victoria's Secret. I've had this for like, oh my gosh, such a long time, so I'm trying to finish that up. I finally finished one of my of perfumes that I've had since I was like in middle school. I finished it. It's in my little empties bag. So this is the stuff that I currently have sitting here on the floor. I'm not quite sure what to do or where to put it. Partly because I can't really give anything away right now with what's going on, and I can't see anyone, so for me it's like, okay, I actually found a use for these. I'm gonna try to learn a language, and I'm gonna utilize these note cards to try to do that, so that's actually gonna stay with me. Same thing with these note cards. My goal is to try to learn a new language this month. Hopefully I can do that. This is actually trash. This I don't really need. See, like any of this stuff I don't really need, and I don't know what to do with it. So it's just sitting here on the floor. And then this is just like random extras that I have. So I have like perfumes, a bunch of perfumes, and it's taken me so long just to try to finish that Victoria's Secret one. But I'm gonna try to attempt to finish these. I have more in this little box right here. More little mini perfumes. I have some hand sanitizers, which is really important right now to have on hand. But these mini ones, I feel like they're not gonna be that hard to finish. It's just these bigger bottles that take a while. So, I'm gonna have an Ulta's Beauty card apparently in here. So it's like I need to try to make an effort to utilize this, and I feel like if I have it out, then it'll remind me to use it. And then I have this, which should be stored away somewhere, so I'm gonna find a place to store that in. I have another one back here. These are what they call laminating sheets. Very important. Gonna need that. And then this, these are just iPhones that don't work, and an iPod that I need to recycle or to sell. I forgot where you can sell these at, but you can't do that right now, so that's why I'm saving all this stuff. And then this is just a little memory bag that I should probably put away. And then this is Michael Kors wristlet that needs to go in my closet. And then this, I don't know what to do with this. Jesus. This is actually going to stay here because I want to remember to use that. And then this is going to go all to my closet. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so this is how it looks afterwards. So there's my desk, my makeup, stuff underneath the desk, and then this is Ian's side of the bed. His stuff is just all over the place. I need to organize all that, but for the most part, well, I need to declutter some stuff. Maybe that could be a video on like decluttering Ian's stuff. If you guys want to watch that, give a thumbs up. If you want to see me declutter his stuff, if you want me to do a whole video on how I share my room with him and like how I organize his stuff, his clothes and whatnot, give this video a thumbs up so I can do it. So it lets me know that you guys want to watch it. But overall, this is how I organize my room. This is how it looks on a daily basis when it's nice and clean. So yeah, this is my room, guys. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Alright guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldy Silva. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I think it was pretty fun having you guys tag along with me organizing and cleaning up and whatnot. And yeah, hope this motivated you to clean up your room as well. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Mwah.